welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys this TV we picked up at a garage sale, so it is a Olevia, and I'll show you guys the model number. Sorry, by the way, my phone is charging, so it's kind of limited. So there it is. Model. So this is a LCD HD TV, so you can see right here, very kind of crowded, but still got the Goody YG600 and the Epson Power Light 93 Plus, which I did a couple videos on. It came with a power cable. It's one of these. So anyway, what I was saying is, it's got one of these, and then it's got a ground. Does not look bent, you know, the pins. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in. It's also got buttons, so power, menu. Okay, so all the buttons seem to work. So let's plug it in. Okay, I had to unplug the Echo Dot 4th Gen, but hey. So now, let's plug this thing in. Okay, we've got a blue light, which usually means that it's on. I don't know. It didn't come with a remote, but if the guy that gave me this for free is watching, thank you. Oh, good, we got a screen. Alright. Because we've got no signal. Okay, so I think the buzzing sound is just the speakers. But it seems to be working good, so let's try plugging something into it. And I'm sorry guys, I kept calling this guy a Fire TV Stick 7th gen. There is no 7th gen. It's a 2nd generation Fire TV Stick. Let's just somehow get this out of here. Yeah, because it was connected via Bluetooth. So let's try and plug it in. So I actually decided to try and turn it off and then back on, and now there's no buzzing noise. Okay. So this guy has a lot of ports. So let's try the HDMI. Alrighty. So now that that's in there, you know, it actually has a USB-A port, so let's try that. See if that'll actually power it. Yep. The picture is amazing. It really is. So now let's test out the speakers. Alright, so speakers seem to be working just fine. So now let's play some music. Okay. So clearly it is working great. So we've wiped it down, cleaned it up. It's got 2 speakers on the side. This is about a, let me see how big it is. This is about a 30-inch screen, I'd say. I don't know, I'd have to measure it, but yeah guys, so turn it off, turn it on. So yeah, it's got a lot of components on the back. But yeah guys, I think that pretty much sums up this video. I will do further testing and I will add on anything to the video if I find anything wrong with it. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys. Wait, hold your thought. Don't that button. We need some B-roll.